Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, E.W.T.X just filed an amendment to a current report, and I'm seeing one key update that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing is all about adding financial details to a previous report about a big deal. So what we have here is actually an amended report, meaning they are fixing or adding something to a report they already filed. Think of it like a correction or an addendum to a previous document. The reason for this filing is to add on required financial information for a deal that happened back in July. Back on the 13th of July, Edgewise Therapeutics, or the company as they call it here, filed a report about selling off their muscular dystrophy program. This program included something called the sevasemten compound and other related assets. The buyer was Servier Pharmaceuticals, LLC, and Les Laboratoires Servier. So, this amendment is essentially adding the financial picture of what this sale means. The most important part of this amendment is located right here under item 9.01. They are specifically adding pro forma financial information. Pro forma basically means as if something happened. So they are showing what the company's finances would look like after this acquisition as if it were already factored in. This detailed financial breakdown is attached as Exhibit 99.1. It is meant to give us a clearer view of the financial impact of selling off that muscular dystrophy program. This exhibit is super important because it helps us understand how this big transaction potentially reshapes the company's financial landscape. While we can't see the direct numbers from this filings text, the fact they are adding this unaudited pro forma condensed financial information tells us they are providing projected financials. This is crucial for investors to get a handle on the company's financial health post-transaction. It is like looking at a what-if scenario, but using real accounting rules to show the expected outcome. Looking at the company itself, Edgewise Therapeutics Inc. is a company whose stock trades under the ticker symbol EWTX on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. Their stock price has been pretty active lately, with some positive movement reported in early July. It's good to see the company is active and reporting relevant updates. The filing is signed by Michael Nofi, who holds the title of Chief Financial Officer. This is standard practice, showing that the company's financial leadership is accountable for this filing. Now, let us tie this back to the bigger picture. Edgewise Therapeutics is in the biotechnology space, a sector known for its significant research and development efforts. Companies like this often undergo major transactions, like selling off a program to refocus their strategy or raise capital. The added pro forma financials are key to understanding the financial consequences of this strategic move. It helps investors, like us, see if this sale strengthens the company's financial position or if it signals a pivot toward new areas. Without the specifics of Exhibit 99.1, we are looking at the regulatory necessity of providing this information, which underscores the materiality of the transaction itself. My biggest concern is always how these significant transactions actually translate into long-term shareholder value. The pro forma financials are designed to answer that, but it is their audited future performance that will truly tell the tale. What I'm actually looking for is how this divestiture allows them to invest more effectively in their remaining pipeline. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.